Hi, I'm going to show you how to do a invisible center cast on for your rug. This allows you to close up the gap at the center of your rug since you're working the rug in the round, so you don't end up having a big hole when you're done. Some people call it an Emily Ocker cast on. Emily Ocker is usually done with a crochet hook, but since we're a knitting blog, I thought I would show you how to do it with just a knitting needle. All right, so you're going to grab the tail of your yarn and put it behind your two fingers, then wrap the yarn around and cross it over the top. Looks like that. You're going to put your needle in underneath and grab the yarn at the back. And then you're going to go over the back yarn, then through, under, over the back yarn, through, under, and then over, through, under, and over, and then over. And you're going to do that until you've got as many stitches as you need. I believe for this pattern it's 8. So there you can see I've got, whoops, hold that one on. I've got 8 stitches on my needle, and I've got this tail here. So when I'm ready to close up my work, I can slide this down the needle so it's a bit easier for you to see. When I'm ready to close up my work, I can just pull on the tail, and now you're going to want to knit a few rows before you do this. I'm not doing that, but you pull on the tail and it closes up your hole, and they'll close the hole in the middle. Now, like I said, I would normally, this one you can see the stitches are wanting to undo itself. You're going to normally want to knit at least a few rows before you pull the tail tight, and don't pull it too tight. You can always tighten it at the end. You don't want to have like a nipple type shape where it's pulled really tight, because the yarn that you're working with for this rug is a super bulky. This is actually just an Aran weight yarn, so you're working with a super bulky, so it can go quite puffy in the center. So you're going to want to knit around at least 10 rows and then pull it gently tight. You can always pull it tighter at the end when you're done your rug. So anyway, I'll probably do another section of this with a slow version. So I'll get it edited with a slow version so you can look that again and get your circular cast on done right. Happy knitting!